Hello, 大家好. Right. Let's see if you can recognize this character, which I have stressed in the last week's slide. Alright, this character is a high frequency character and it means me or I, which is 我. So, how would you say I want a glass of milk? Okay, have a think what is I want, which we did last week. Alright, 我要. And what is milk? Milk is 牛奶. So this is 我要一杯牛奶. 我要一杯牛奶. How about this character? Can you read this character? Watch the stroke. Alright. On the left hand side of this character, the left hand component is actually 人, which means a person. Okay, so and this character is you. Alright, so how would you say you want a glass of milk? What is you in Chinese? It is 你. So it will be 你要一杯牛奶. Right. Now we're going to go into a question. Alright, if you say you want a glass of milk, how are we going to put it into a question? In English we have do you want a glass of milk, but in Chinese, think of it that what we did was we ignore the do, alright, and you just translate you want a glass of milk and then you add a ma at the end, which turn it into a question. So it will become 你要一杯牛奶吗? If you look carefully, it's just the same as a sentence almost, alright, as in the second example. Right, so more examples to try. How would you say, do you want coffee? Alright, coffee is easy in Chinese. It is 咖啡, alright, and want is 要. So this will be 你要咖啡吗? Do you like tea? No. Instead of want, I've changed it to like. Alright, everything else stays the same. So once again, drop the do. Think of you like tea吗? It will be 你喜欢茶吗? 你喜欢茶吗? Now, does he or she love school? Now, three components are changed. He or she is 他, love school is 爱学校. So, it will be 他爱学校吗? Now, do you have chocolates? 你有巧克力吗? 你有巧克力吗? Does he or she like homework? Okay, we go back to like, and like is 喜欢, and homework. This was done last week. Homework is 作业. So, does he or she like homework becomes 他喜欢作业吗? 他喜欢作业吗? Okay, notice the general rule. Person is usually at the start of this kind of question. Okay, now we're going to go into a slightly different type of question, but first look at this character. What is this character? This is 这. Okay, so this is banana becomes 这是香蕉. 这是香蕉. Now, is this a banana? Okay, again we do the same thing. Ignore the this, alright? Just think this is a banana, okay? And then you add a ma. So, become, in Chinese question, it will be 这是香蕉吗? 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 Alright, next, more example. Is this an orange? 这是橘子吗？这是橘子吗？ Is this a strawberry? 这是草莓吗？这是草莓吗？ Is this a school? 这是学校吗？这是学校吗？ Is this Maya? Now, Maya is a person's name. You can have a person in this case, alright? So, 这是 Maya 吗？这是 Maya 吗？ Is this red color? 这是红色吗？这是红色吗？ Alright, if you notice, this type of question always starts with 这是. Alright? So to end off, I think I'm going to teach you how to say see you next time. Alright? I hope you can remember this and use this in class with me. Alright? It will be 下次见. 下次见. 下 means to go down. Alright? And 次 is the number of times, and 见 is the see. Alright? 再见的见. Now, 下 is to go down, which is quite strange to a lot of English people. It's because if you think of it, the Chinese probably look at time conceptually from top to bottom. So the future events is down. So 下次 is next time. 下次见. Alright, you can also say see you next week. Alright, and it will be 下星期见. 下星期见. And if you notice, it starts off with 下, which is the next time. Alright, 下星期, 星期 is a week. So 我们下次见 or 下星期见.